Welcome to the Step 1 Review Study Guide, and in this lesson, we learn about features of the genetic code. The genetic code is unambiguous, which means that each codon codes for specifically only one amino acid. Although it is unambiguous, each codon only codes for one amino acid. Most amino acids are coded by many codons, making the genetic code redundant or degenerate. The reason that amino acids can be coded by multiple different codons is because of the wobble position. The wobble position in the codon is the third base pair, which can be changed up but still coded for the same amino acid. The reason for this is because that it allows DNA to have mutations but not affect the actual protein it produces. An exception to this rule is AUG, which is the start codon, which codes for methionine. Only AUG codes for methionine, and UGG, which encodes for tryptophan. The genetic code is commaless and non-overlapping. This means that the code is read continuously from a fixed starting point. However, there are some viruses that are an exception to this rule. The last feature of the genetic code is that it is universal. Every organism uses DNA to store its information that encodes proteins. You might think, well, what about viruses? Don't some viruses only have RNA? This is true, however. Viruses are not considered organisms and instead are obligate intercellular parasites, meaning they cannot live without an organismal host. An exception to the genetic code universality is human mitochondrium, which do contain some codons that have different meanings. That's all for this lesson of Step 1 Review. We'll see you in the next video.